Welcome! So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to make Safari as your default browser on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. Now you want to scroll down until you see Safari. Okay? So now just go ahead and scroll down, click on Safari. Okay? So here you should, under the search Siri and search, you should see the default browser application section. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on default browser app, and then just go ahead and choose Safari. And once you've done that, that should automatically set your default browser up. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.